It happened on a Tuesday, the busiest day of my week. My phone screen blinked once, and then died. Just a cold, black mirror.
No. Wake up. I have to check my email. I need to call the taxi.
Sarah stood on the busy sidewalk. Usually, she ordered a car with one click. Now, she was just a girl standing alone in the city.
Sarah? Are you fighting with your phone again? Olivia, it's a disaster. My phone is dead. I can't get a taxi. I don't even know what time it is. It's 4 p.m. and we don't need a taxi. The repair shop is only 15 minutes away. We can use our legs. Walk? 15 minutes without music? Without checking Instagram? It's a tragedy, I know. Come on, put the black brick in your pocket.
Sarah felt strange. Every few minutes, her hand reached for her pocket.
Wait, I felt it buzz. I have a message. Sarah, your phone is dead. It can't buzz. I swear I felt it. Habit. I feel naked without it.
It's called a phantom vibration. Her brain was waiting for a notification that wasn't there.
Look up, Sarah. Not at your pocket. Look at that building. See the balcony? Oh, there is a huge cat sitting on the flower pot. It's watching the people below. It looks like a king. You walk past this building every day. Did you ever see the king cat before? Never. I'm usually looking at my screen here. Sarah, wait. Look! Oh, wow. Is that an ice cream parlor? Let's stop. I want ice cream. Wait, Olivia. I don't know this place. Let me check the reviews. Oh, I can't. Reviews? Sarah, it's ice cream. You don't need 5 stars on a screen to know it's good. Just use your eyes. But what if it's bad? I usually look at the photos online first. Be brave. Pick a color. I'll take the mint chocolate.
They walked out holding their cones. Sarah took a bite.
Wow. This is really creamy.
Better than the photos online? So much better.
Yeah. Usually, I take a picture of my food before I eat it. By the time I eat, it's half melted.
And it tastes like mint, not like likes or shares.
They finished their ice cream and turned the corner. A street musician was playing a violin.
That music, it's beautiful. We can stop and listen, you know? We can? Don't we need to hurry? Why? No phone means no schedule. We are just here.
Usually, Sarah wore headphones to block the world out. They stood and listened. Sarah watched the musician's fingers move. She saw a little girl dancing near the violin case. It wasn't a video on TikTok. It was happening right in front of her. Finally, at the repair shop, the man shook his head.
The charging port is broken. It will take 30 minutes to fix.
30 minutes, okay, no problem.
They went to a park bench across the street.
Look at those 2 old men playing chess. They are arguing, but they are smiling.
It's like a silent movie.
Real life is the best movie, Sarah. No commercials.
30 minutes later, the phone was fixed. As soon as it turned on, it beeped loudly. 5 messages, 3 emails.
Yeah. The world wants my attention again. You're back online.
Sarah looked at the screen, then at the orange sunset over the city buildings. She thought about the king cat, the cold ice cream, and the violin music.
It can wait. Really? Yeah. Let's walk home the long way. I want to get another scoop of that ice cream.
Sarah put the phone deep in her bag. She realized she didn't lose a day. She actually found one.